Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but now let's talk about Fetch.ai. As you guys know, yesterday was a huge day for the crypto space. We saw a huge bloodbath, but the reason as to why we saw that massive bloodbath across the board was because, huge developments came out for the crypto space. Some news from the SEC, they're cracking down more centralized exchanges. The CZ, being charged for some, criminal activities that Binance took place in, him stepping down as a CEO, Bittrex and OG exchange coming to an end. So, a lot has happened over the past few hours, but what we're starting to see is some coins rebounding, and Fetch.ai is one of them. And of course, you guys are showing tremendous amount of support on the FET updates, and that's why I'm bringing these out for you guys on a daily basis. So if we're looking at the price right now, 52.4 cents, up 4.1% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 5.7% in Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours. If we're focusing on its market cap, it's above a $500 million mark, exactly at $545 million. And the 24-hour trading volume is quite large, which is half of its market cap, which is quite interesting to see. And, what Fetch.ai right now is doing is insane. And again, times like this really give us an understanding as to which projects actually have momentum. Right now, Fetch.ai is a perfect example that this project has tremendous amount of momentum. We've just not been talking about it over the past few weeks, saying it has momentum. It actually has majority of the momentum right now. Reason why I say this is because after having a massive bloodbath, the coins that are bouncing back the fastest show interest in terms of investors. But before we get into the charts, I want to take a look at the Bitcoin's price so you guys can see what happened. We did see the price of Bitcoin fall below 36,200. We retested the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level support line, but right now we are once again above the 36,200 resistance. So this is quite interesting to see manipulation occurring in the cryptocurrency market a lot. And as mentioned to you guys in an update today, where I kind of went over that, this, in my opinion, is the last massive bull market for the crypto space before the regulators come in, because you guys know the market is getting regulated. And I think, again, as always, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. But, in my personal opinion, they want to make one exchange the top one, and I think Coinbase is going to be the for biggest exchange, and I think that's their main goal. And just because Binance CZ is out of the way, it's past history, it does not mean we're not about to see exact same things taking place. I think we're going to see more of these news coming out. But let's take a look at Fetch right now. Something very, very interesting going on. I'm not really going to show you the daily time frame. I'm going to show you guys the hourly time frame to really understand as to what is going on. So from yesterday, from its yearly high at 57.6 cents, you guys can see Fetch.ai dropped about 20%. In basically the last 24 to 48 hours, we've seen a decrease of about 20%. And of course, the entire market was down, and Fetch.ai is no exception. But let's say you manage to pick up some at this low at 46.53 cents. Guess what? You're up right now instantly about 12.3%. And if it's able to clear out the resistance it's seeing right now, where Fetch.ai is currently trading, if this resistance is able to break out, we're about to push back into the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level and officially could be creating a new yearly high in the hours to come, especially if BTC is able to hold and actually go back above to 37,545. I think we're about to see Fetch.ai pushing back into the 0.50 zone, and I think that is going to be really, really nice to see. But guys, this is lovely to see, and this should give you an understanding as to why patience is your number one key to follow. You never want to fall for the whale tactics, and what I mean by whale tactics is, when manipulation occurs, the main focus of the whales is to shake out the weak hands, and you do not want to be those weak hands. As long as you've done your due diligence and research and have invested where you can afford to lose, then have patience, because during the markets you will see these types of moves which shakes out the entire space. And this is a perfect example, especially for the newcomers. But strong projects do rebound, and you can see this for yourself. FET is doing that right now as we speak, and I am expecting more upside if we're able to clear out this resistance. But let me know down below what you guys think, and of course, why are you so excited about FET? Let me know in the comment section. And with that said, I will see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.